Hi, I'm Hari Haran. Software engineering often faces a knowledge gap where stakeholders can't easily navigate the code. Inspired by the collaborative success of Google's NotebookLM, we built RepoMind to bridge that gap. During onboarding, I select my role, like developer or product manager, to tailor the AI's persona and enter my own Gemini API key. This bring your own key model ensures privacy and leverages your own free Google Cloud tier from the start. Unlike local tools, RepoMind is entirely browser-based. When I paste a GitHub URL, the system performs a recursive fetch of the repository using the GitHub API. We then run a client-side RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, pipeline. The code is summarized and indexed using Google's latest embedding models, allowing Gemini 2.5 Flash to query the codebase semantically without needing a heavy backend or local environment. Once processed, we enter the unified studio. The core interaction happens here in the chat. I can ask questions like, "Explain this codebase," and the system retrieves the most relevant code chunks to generate a context-aware answer. Since I identified as a developer, the response focuses on the implementation details, architecture patterns, and the specific libraries discovered in the project. Beyond the chat, RepoMind pre-generates specialized assets to save time. On the right, you'll find an audio overview, a short podcast-style deep dive into the repo. We also provide an interactive knowledge graph to visualize the file structure and a detailed repository report that compiles a structured Markdown document for documentation or team alignment. Finally, your workspace can be shared via a public link, acting as a collaborative source of truth for your team. Sign up today and start chatting with your codebase. This is RepoMind.